Hello and welcome to the You Should Know Challenge, where you will be learning 10 songs that every ukulele player should know. This year the challenge is extra special because one of my best friends, Abby Lyons, has decided to join in. So I'll be teaching you the tutorials for all of these songs, and then you're going to hop onto her channel, subscribe, and watch the play along videos so that you can apply everything that you've learned. We also created the chord sheets for you to follow along with. Every September that we do a challenge, the chord sheets are absolutely free. I've linked them down below. We thought the number one song that we should start with is RIPTIDE by Vance Joy. So grab your ukuleles, make sure they're tuned, and let's get started. For this song, you will need chords A minor, G, and C. Later on, we will also use chord F, but it's later. First, let's start with the chords and the chord progression that we will use most. And that is A minor for 4 beats, G for 4 beats, and C for 8 beats. So 2 C chords. The strumming pattern that we need for the intro, the verse, and the pre-chorus is this. It's down, down, up, down. That is a ghost strum, so you're not actually going to strum the strings. Your hand is going to move downwards to prepare you for the up, down, up. So it's going to be down, down, rest, up, down, up. And then you switch to the next chord, G. Down, down, rest, up, down, up. Then go to C, ready, go. Down, down, rest, up, down, up. Again, down, down, rest, up, down, up. So now let's try it without pausing in between for the chords. 1, 2, A minor, go. Down, down, rest, up, down, down, rest, up, down, down, rest again, down, 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 rest, up, down, down, rest, up, down, G, C, down, down, rest, up, down, rest, up, down. So you will do that sequence twice for the intro. So we just did the intro, and then 4 times for the verse. So now let's jump over to the pre-chorus where we have one little change. So you'll do the chord progression like we just did it once. Down, rest, up, down, 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 rest, up, down, 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 rest, up, down, 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 rest, up, down, up. But this time you're going to stop on the C chord. You're just going to give it one strum. So let's try it. 1, 2, A minor, go. Down, down, rest, up, down, down, rest. And one strum here. And that stops right there because you're setting up suspense and excitement for the chorus. So what you've learned so far encompasses about 75% of the song, so yay. So now let's learn the next strumming pattern that we need for the chorus. So we're gonna need down, down, up, down, up. And this is called the island strum. If you have not yet mastered the island strum, I have a 5-day course that teaches you how to do it. Of course, you can binge watch it in one day, but I will link that down below so that you can work on the island strum, or you can just try it out here. Who knows, maybe it might be a natural. So that is down, down, up, down, up, switch, ready, go. Down, down, up, down, up, switch, ready, go. Down, down, up, twice again, ready, go. So let's try it without stopping. For the chorus, you will need the chord progression 4 times. 1, 2, ready, go. Down, up, down, up, C. Twice. To the bridge. For the bridge, we are continuing with the down, down, up, strumming pattern. But now we're going to do it 2 times for A minor, 2 times for G, 2 times for C, and 2 times for F. So let's try it. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready. A minor, down, down, up. Again, G, again, C, yeah, then F, yeah. And then for the next line, you're gonna do the same thing with the A minor, twice, then twice on G, twice on C, and then a single strum on F. So let's try that second line. 1, 2, you can do it. 1, 2, ready, go. Again, G, again, and 1 strum on F. And that just builds suspense for the pre-chorus that's coming. So let's try to play the bridge. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. I just wanna know. G, C, if you're gonna F, good, nice. I just G, C, I can have it. 1 F, any other way. And in the next pre-chorus, we do have some changes. They're not chord changes, so you already know how to do those. It's just we need single strums. So that part goes like this. I swear she's destined for the screen. 2, 3, 4. Closest thing to Michelle Pfeiffer that you've ever seen. So let's try that. 1, 2, single strum, go. Swear she's destined for the screen. 2, 3, 4. Closest thing to Michelle Pfeiffer that you've ever seen. If you put all those pieces together, you'll be able to play Riptide by Vance Joy, which is an amazing song to learn on your ukulele. And speaking of ukuleles, I've been playing the PKC 10 by Ohana. I'm going to link it down below if you would like to grab yourself a pineapple ukulele. I find that these have a bigger sound because they don't have that curve here. I don't know if it's just me, but I love the sound of a really nice pineapple. This one is made in mahogany, and I'll rave about it more in the link down below. Once you're ready to upload your cover of this song, please use the hashtags and please tag Abby and I so that we can be proud teachers and watch your performance. Okay, so head over to the play along. I'm so excited. Subscribe to Abby's channel. Subscribe to this one if you haven't already as well. And I will see you for song 2 of 10. Ciao!